What's going on, everyone? It is Alex Dixon, your trusted realtor. We are back with another YouTube video. Today, it is about 6 o'clock in the morning. I woke up at 5:30. That's pretty much how I start my day. So I wanted to bring you along with me today. It's Friday. I just have a little bit of things I have to do real estate wise, but I wanted to bring y'all along. So before you watch this video, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe to my YouTube channel for more content like this. And if I sound tired, I am tired. So give me some time. And I'm looking at my picture over there, but give me some time to wake up. And we're going to get it today. Okay? I'll be back.
Spending all my nights alone, waiting for you to go. You're the only one I want by my side when I fall asleep. Tell me what I'm waiting for. Tell me what I'm waiting for. I know it's hard, but we need to. No, it's hard, but we need to.
1484. Y'all, I am about to get something to eat before I head over to my showing for today. We got a chauffeur today. Chauffeur.
When did we establish that I was the chauffeur?
He's my chauffeur for today. I need to get my nails done, y'all, so please don't pay attention to this.
Let me see. Oh, wow. I didn't even see that.
No, so I have gel. I wear gel nail polish, and if you know gel, you gotta kind of just let it fall off on its own or get it soaked off with acetone. So, but I'll catch y'all when we get to the house. I forgot my jacket too. As you can see, I just got on the shirt. It's cold. He want to have the windows rolled down because he don't like being stuffed in the car.
I knew what the weather was when I came outside this morning. She walked and got in the car.
And y'all, I got my Invisalign attachments off. I did. I still got my liners in, but my teeth are teething. Ain't they, babe?
Yeah, they definitely teething. Teeth.
All right, y'all. Catch y'all later. All right, guys. Just finished my food. I'm about to go into the house. I typically go in the house, cut all the lights on, and walk through before the client gets here. So I will go in the house, get everything set up, then I will bring you back in then.
Just to get back before that I had days full of you, before it winds down into the memories.
A little sunroom. I'm cold, so I'm not going out there, but it's right off a golf course. It's cold. But yeah, that's pretty much it. Another thing that I like to do before my client gets here, I like to look up like the facts about the house so that as we're going through the tour, because I like to take my clients on an actual tour, I'm letting them know all the nice facts about the house, and then I'm ready to answer any questions that they may have. So I'm gonna do that, and then I'll come back to y'all. All right, guys, so I just got back home from my showing. The clients like the property, so what I'm going to do is I want to call the listing agent to see what their seller is looking for before we place an offer or start talking offers. And then I'm going to call my client back, give them the info, and we're going to take it from there. I have some things to do. I have a listing coming next week, which is my own personal, my first home, my baby, our baby. Right, babe? But anyway, we got to go get that painted up, get it cleaned up, because we'll be listing that next week. And we are going to Atlanta for the weekend, so we'll be vlogging on our family channel, hopefully. I keep bugging my husband about getting back on YouTube, but he's just not interested. But I'm going to make him anyway. Because he coaches a middle school, and they're like, we saw y'all YouTube channel. Why y'all stop? Like, y'all gotta start back YouTubing. So we gotta get back into it. But anyway, I'm gonna go upstairs, do my little worky work, and then I don't know if I'll vlog anything at the other house, getting ready. I'm gonna change my clothes, put on something warm because I'm cold with this on. And then, yeah, we gonna be on the road.